Hey guys, Brian again. I want to go ahead and talk about this Frigidaire refrigerator recall. This was posted on February 11th, and this article is from USA Today. It says more than 383 Frigidaire refrigerators were recalled due to potential safety hazards. So in this article here, they have the list. I'll go over the actual models in a little bit, but they're the side-by-side refrigerators with slim ice buckets, and it said these were sold between November 2015 and September 2019, so it's a pretty broad spectrum there. It says more than 383,000 Frigidaire branded side-by-side refrigerators with slim ice buckets have been recalled following reports of plastic in the ice bucket. The recalled appliances have an ice bucket assembly component that could break and cause plastic pieces to fall into the ice bucket. And of course, that poses a choking hazard and laceration hazards. So Electrolux Frigidaire's parent company, oh, I forgot they were the parent company, it said they received 343 reports of plastic breaking off into the ice buckets. And there have been 2 reports of consumers being cut or hurt by the plastic after it was dispensed. And these are the model numbers here of the refrigerators affected. And I'll show you later how you can actually just check your fridge instead of having to look at that. You can actually pause this here and check it out and look inside your fridge. So if you click this link here, this will take you to the Frigidaire recall information, and I'll put this link in the pinned comment as well as the description. So this is the product recall information page, and right here is the ice bucket recall from February. And in June of 2022, they actually have another ice maker recall, which is interesting. This is the product recall information page from Electrolux and Frigidaire. We've kind of gone over the information here. It says, is your refrigerator included in the voluntary recall? And it's showing some of the pictures here of the different refrigerators affected. And it doesn't give us any more information. It just says a plastic piece could fall into the ice bucket. So I don't think it's it's going into the ice cubes, but it's going into the ice bucket. There's a hotline you can call as well. And there's some links here you can click to see if your ice bucket has been impacted or the status. It says if you've already ordered a no-cost replacement ice bucket for your impacted refrigerator, enter the first 10 digit of your model or serial number to check the status. So you can actually enter that in here and apparently order a new ice bucket. So it sounds like it's something with the actual ice bucket that breaks into it. At first I was wondering if it was something that broke and went into the ice cubes, but it doesn't seem that's the case. And with this link, you can see here where the information is, the serial number and model number, where this little red arrow is here, and then it'll give you the information right here off to the side. And if you still want to check, you can put the information down here, enter the model number and serial number, and submit it, and then it'll show you if your fridge is part of the recall. Because that's a broad amount of time, 4 years, 2015 to 2019. So I'll go ahead and put the link here in the pinned comment in the description, and let me know what you think, guys, and go ahead and like the video, and check out this next video.